Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Restore It. Before we get into the workshop build, I want to thank today's sponsor, Dollar Shave Club. Now you've probably heard about these guys, but have you tried them? Although I use an electric trimmer, I can't get that super close shave you need in some places without a razor. So I've been using Dollar Shave Club's Executive Razor and Classic Butter for about a year now, which is why I'm excited to endorse something I have tried and enjoyed for so long. What you may not know is that Dollar Shave Club also offer many other hygiene products, from tooth care to skin care, all the way down to butt care. And now, Dollar Shave Club are offering starter sets from each range at a great price, giving you a chance to sample everything and decide what works for you. More from Dollar Shave Club and their $5 starter sets at the end of the video. Let's get into the workshop. Thanks again to Dollar Shave Club for sponsoring this episode. As I said before, Dollar Shave Club offer many other hygiene products. Their new citrus and Hawaiian ginger face wash is great after a long day in the workshop covering myself in grease and grime. It really makes your skin feel clean and hydrated. Even though they are renowned for their shaving products, the shampoo and conditioner are my go-to because of how great it smells and how well it cleans my hair, leaving it feeling fresh. If you're interested in trying any of these products, you can do it now for just $5, which will get you the Shave Starter Set, the super high quality executive razor, a cassette with 4 additional razor refills, a tube of their classic butter, and the chance to sample the new citrus and Hawaiian face cleanser. All that for just $5. That's less than the cost of some fancy drinks. Swap one fancy drink for a month of DSC hygiene. Like I said, starter sets are just $5, and then after that a restock box ships with regular products at a regular price at whatever pace best suits you. So join the Dollar Shave Club by going to the link in the description, dollarshaveclub.com/restore it. That's dollarshaveclub.com/restore it. Thanks to those guys, and I'll see you next time.